School culture, the life it breeds into a school, and the success it can help achieve. What is school culture? A school's culture has everyone coming together in a common process to achieve a desired goal. All stakeholders can be involved in the process. This can include administration, teachers, students, parents, and community members. A culture will be strong or weak depending on the interactions between the people in the organization. In a strong culture, there are many overlapping and cohesive interactions so that knowledge about the organization's distinctive character and what it takes to thrive in it is widely spread. Schaefer, 2018. School culture versus school climate. Culture deals with social aspects, deals with values and norms, sets a plan in place for today and a goal for the future, can help develop climate, can raise student achievement. School climate deals with how people are feeling or what they are thinking, deals with behaviors, reactions, perception, environment, and also can raise student achievement. Working together. Culture is the physical plan for the school stakeholders to work together in a common manner. This hopefully leads to trust and a positive climate of belief for all involved. This is shown to lead to higher test scores when there is a healthy learning environment. What's involved? Values and practices. Within every successful culture, there involves values and practices. These are taught and modeled for cohesiveness and understanding. Many methods are used to offer differing avenues for acquisition and implementation. The expressed values and the evidence of its well-being should be used over the entire school environment. These points of emphasis should be communicated and shared with the entire community. Feedback is open and welcomed to gauge the community's perception of the culture and climate. Values are the concepts, goals, and ideals that are deemed essential. Practices are the consistent manner in which the values are implemented and taught. Issues with wellness and health. Number 1, no true leadership. Number 2, when a school is unhealthy, the teachers are generally unhappy with all aspects of their workday. This unsatisfaction can include leadership, other teachers, and the job itself. Number 3, the community puts little to no importance on the culture of the school and/or its mission. Number 4, attitude leads to complacency by students. A healthy school. In a healthy school, the well-being of the students and staff are shown through their motivation, collaboration, and support system. These are instilled early by administration through the introduction and implementation of the school's vision and mission. Using leadership strengths and identifying improvement priorities, a healthier school environment can be achieved. The continued development of the culture leads to a much better climate for success by all stakeholders. Looking into the future and having a plan. A healthy school establishes where it needs to go and how it plans to develop a process to achieve that goal. Through the vision and mission development process, a clear goal is recognized and stated. This is followed by the detailed process of implementation school-wide. This cultivates a culture of ownership, cooperation, and growth. Fullen, 2001, contended that the concept of instructional leader is too limited to sustain school improvement. He promoted the idea that school principals serve as change agents to transform teaching and learning culture of the school. Teacher-student learning process. When there is a culture that has a clear vision or goal, the teachers know where to focus. They create and develop plans individually and collaboratively in line with the mission. When there is development and growth by all involved, the students are the beneficiaries and achieve at higher rates. This leads to a climate that is conducive for all to continue growth. 4 practices characterize successful and adaptable schools. Little, 1982. Number 1, specific support for discussion of classroom practices. Number 2, mutual observation and critique. Though effective, the fear of scrutiny by peers is strong and can take away from this practice. Number 3, shared efforts to design and prepare curriculum. Number 4, shared participation in the business of instructional improvement. Principal. Yes, all the other roles and responsibilities of a school principal are important, but a positive school culture is imperative. Habegger, 2008. Leading a school. Principals have an indirect effect on learning. They establish ideals and processes to guide teachers in finding their direct interaction with students for knowledge acquisition. The principal helps create and maintain a school culture where behaviors of both teachers and students can lead to organized learning. Being the leader and voice of the school, the ideals that are set forth and presented to the community represent the principal's beliefs and focus. Educational decisions. Choices of a principal. A principal must decide what system of education will be implemented. At Pulaski County Special School Districts, we use AVID instructional strategies for education. A principal must decide what disciplinary system will be followed, encouraging positive behaviors. At Pulaski County Special School Districts, we implement PBIS. This system has led to a strong reduction in referrals and a rise in academic achievement. Getting every stakeholder involved and committed to the school vision. This includes administrators, teachers, students, parents, and members of the community. Student achievement and the process to achieve must be a priority for all. There is a large variety of initiatives that can be implemented, but finding the correct one for your specific needs based on data and community will be key. A principal is a leader that establishes a culture within a school. This is a guide to success that must be cultivated and nurtured. Culture builds and creates a true positive climate for teacher involvement and student buy-in.